is your Inseller Central. You're going to reports, you're going to go to business reports, this is .com.au, and you want to do a by ASIN, which is by product, that one, detailed page sales and traffic report. So that will give you the information that you're looking for. So here you've got seller percentage, unit session percentage, which is your on-page conversion rate, very important metric. Amazon watches that religiously, as should you, and things like that. But that's where you get that information from. Here's why it's important. As I just said, it's of no consequence what you want. The consequential thing on Amazon is what the customer or your customer wants. And you can use those reports to find out exactly what search terms your customers type in to Amazon to find your product and then to buy your product. And that is very, very important information because it tells you the truth. Everything else is guesswork. But a report that says X number of people searched for balance bike for 2-year-old boy, and then Y number of people purchased that product as a result of that. Well, that's facts, and facts are good in business. So it gives you the information. And what you can then do, advanced warning coming right up. So if you then find out, for instance, that the people who are buying your bike the most are people buying it for their 2-year-old daughter, for instance, then you can, and you should, alter your listing to make even more of those people buy your bike. To make even more of those people buy your bike. So Schwinn balance bike 12-inch becomes Schwinn balance bike for 2-year-old girls, for instance. So you laser focus, laser target, and that's how you get the Amazon Best Seller badge. That's how you get the Amazon Choice bag. It's by laser focusing on search terms, which really means laser focusing on customers. That's what that really means. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.